third class science. Birds, food and more. Okay, birds, food and more. Today we will discuss this lesson hard words. Okay, hard words. You also keep heading in your notebook lesson name, birds, food and more, and down you can keep heading hard words and write one by one. Okay, first one, VULTURES, vultures. Okay, VULTURES, vultures. Next one, BIRDS, birds of prey. PREY, prey. Birds of prey. Okay, birds of prey means flesh eating animals. Okay, next, third one, CHISEL, chisel shaped, SHAPED, chisel shaped beak, BEAK. Okay, you learn children total types of beaks. Okay na, total types of beaks: horny beak, hooked beak, long and short beak. Okay, slender beak. You can learn total headings, and here only some headings are right. Easy and hard words I can write. Okay, hard beaks names, hard beak spellings ఏమైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా. థర్డ్ వన్, chisel shaped beak. ఫోర్త్ వన్, slender beak, SLENDER, slender beak, BEAK, slender beak. Fifth one, feet and claws, feet and claws. FEET, feet, AND and CLAWS, claws. Okay, sixth one, TALONS, 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 talons. What is the meaning of talons? Eagle have a talons feet. Yes, you know what is the feet? Talons means strong and sharp feet are class called as talons. Okay, next, seventh one, perching birds, PERCHING, perching birds, BIRDS, perching birds. Okay, PERCHING, perching birds, BIRDS, birds. Once again I repeat you total 7 hard words. First one, vultures, VULTURES, vultures. Okay, these are the flesh eating birds. Next, second one, birds of prey, BIRDS, birds of PREY, prey, birds of prey. CHISEL, chisel shaped, SHAPED, shaped beak, 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 chisel shaped beak. Okay, you also pronounce it these words. Okay, fourth one, slender beak, SLENDER, slender beak, 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 slender beak. Okay, next, fifth one, feet, 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 AND and CLAWS, class, feet and class. Sixth one, talons, TALONS, talons. Seventh one, PERCHING, perching, birds, 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 perching, birds. Okay, can you understand? Next, 7 after which number comes? Yes, gate. Here see, eighth one, scratching birds, SCRATCHING, scratching birds. Which birds are the scratching birds? Hens are the scratching birds. Okay, scratching birds. These scratching birds are the dig the ground. Yes. Next, ninth one, webbed feet, WEBBED, webbed feet, 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 webbed feet. Webbed feet means toes are attached to the skin. This type of feet is called as webbed feet. Okay, next one, 10th one, climbing birds, CLIMB, climb, ING, climbing birds, BIRDS, birds. You know climbing means చెట్లు ఎక్కడం కదా, క్లైంబింగ్ అంటే ఎక్కడ పైకి, క్లైంబింగ్ బర్డ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ 11th one, wading birds, WADING, wading birds, 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 wading birds. Next, 12th one, flight feathers. Birds have a which feathers? Down feathers. Yes, down spelling you also you know. Yes, flight spelling also learn, and feathers also. FEATHERS, flight feathers. Flight feathers. Next, 13th one, penguin. Learn penguin bird spelling. Penguin, PENGUIN, penguin. Okay, next 14th one, Tyler bird, TAILOR, Tyler bird, 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 Tyler bird. Next 15th one, weaver bird, WAVER, weaver bird, 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 weaver bird. Okay, these are the total 15 hard words. Okay, total how many hard words? 15 hard words. You can learn every word spelling. Okay, these total 15 hard words spellings I can ask next class. Okay, once again I repeat you also repeat with me and learn these total spellings. First one, orchards. Second one, birds of prey. Third one, chisel shaped beak. Fourth one, slender beak. Fifth one, feet and claws. Sixth one, talons. Seventh one, perching birds. Eighth one, scratching birds. Ninth one, webbed feet. 10th one, climbing birds. 11th one, wading birds. 12th one, flight feathers. 13th one, penguin. 14th one, Tyler bird. 15th one, weaver bird. You can learn spellings and pronunciation also. Okay, keep in mind pronunciation. Okay, and learn spellings, total 15 hard word spelling. Okay, and today homework, read and write. Today homework I write on the board, HW, read and write hard words. Read and write hard words 2 times in your HW pages. Okay, and learn spellings also. Read and write hard words 2 times. Okay, total these 15 hard words you can learn. Okay children, thank you.